In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Yahoo Mail account. If messages from someone you trust are being sent straight to spam or not arriving at all, there's a good chance their address is on your blocked list. I'll walk you through removing that block so future emails can reach your inbox. Start by opening your browser and going to Yahoo's website. On the top right corner of the page, select Sign In. If you see multiple sign in prompts, just choose Sign In again to continue. When the login screen appears, enter your Yahoo email address and your password to access your account. If you're asked to verify a code, approve a prompt, or complete any security checks, simply follow the on-screen instructions until you're signed in. Once you're back on Yahoo's homepage, click Mail. That opens your Yahoo Mail inbox. In the mailbox, look to the upper right and click the Settings gear icon. A quick panel slides open, choose More Settings at the bottom to open the full settings area. On the left side of the settings page, select Security and Privacy. This section includes your blocked addresses list. Here, you'll see the email addresses and domains that you've previously blocked. Find the address you want to allow again, click the entry to make sure it's selected, then look for the trash can icon next to it. Clicking that trash can removes the address from your blocked list. A small confirmation will appear, click Delete to confirm. That's it. The sender is now unblocked and new messages from them should arrive like normal. Keep in mind that unblocking doesn't move old messages out of spam automatically, but it stops future messages from being rejected or filtered because of the block. If you don't see the address listed here, it means it isn't blocked in Yahoo Mail, and the delivery issue may be caused by filters or by the sender's email provider. A few quick notes to avoid confusion. The settings gear appears only after mail is open. If your screen looks different, try widening your browser window or disabling any pop-up blockers temporarily so the settings panel can appear. Also, changes to your blocked list save instantly when you confirm, so you don't need to click any extra save button. Thanks for watching. You've just learned how to unblock an email address in Yahoo Mail quickly and safely.